Hi and welcome to Hord Inc. Studios. If you are new here, make sure to hit the like button now and subscribe. Today we are looking at how to get Resolve to save your project and keep project backups. It is good practice to ensure that Resolve's Live Save feature is running in the background. Performing incremental background saves will keep track of every change you make to your project, as well as retain older variants of your project for future recall. Assuming you have Davinci Resolve open, go to Preferences. At the top of the Preferences pop-up window, switch from System to User. Click Project Save and load to the left to access save settings. By default, Live Save is enabled, so Davinci Resolve will overwrite your active project file every time you make a change, no matter how small. This setting is crucial to enable to minimize the risk of losing any project changes in the event of unexpected system or program shutdowns. Choose Project Backups. Selecting this option saves a new copy of your project file at regular intervals to a designated backup location. To select the backup location, click Browse and specify a saved destination on your workstation or external drive. Please note, to open a backed up project file, you can access the .drp file at the designated backup location on your drive, or you can open the Project Manager, right-click the thumbnail of the project you wish to restore, and choose Project Backups. In a pop-up window, you can select from a list all of the backups associated with the project. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and subscribe.